Hey guys, welcome to my beginner's portrait series. Here I'll be sharing small tips and tricks which may help you to create better portraits. So often whenever I draw, I make these type of lines. As you can see, I have made these type of lines here also. So these are nothing but just a shadows and highlights. So it will help me in future where I have to create my shadows and highlight. So look at your reference picture and try to create this type of rough lines. It will help you. Let me explain you better. So here is my reference picture. See this portion is completely under the shadow. This portion is again, it's a shadow. This is again shadow. There's a highlight. Again there's a little bit of light. There's a portion where light is coming. So these predefined lines and sections are really helpful in creating highlights and shadow. Hope this is helpful. Please do give it a try and let me know in the comment section. And for more such tips and tricks, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.